Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC. Do that now so you avoid short circuits. Once done, discharge residual power by holding the power button, then ground yourself. Static kills components. Open the side panel and make sure you can clearly see the drive area. Identify whether the SSD is a 2. 5. SATA drive in a bay or an M. 2 stick on the motherboard because removal steps differ. First, actionable move. Remove any obstructing cables or panels to access the drive. You'll now remove the drive itself. For a 2. 5. SATA SSD, gently unplug the SATA data cable and power cable by pulling the connector straight out, then unscrew the mounting screws or slide the tray out. For an M.2 SSD, first remove any heatsink or bracket, then loosen the tiny retaining screw and tilt the module up at about a 30 degrees angle to slide it out of the slot. Always hold the SSD by the edges to avoid touching contacts, and keep screws organized so nothing is lost. Finish by reinstalling the side panel and reconnecting the power cable, then boot to BIOS or UEFI to confirm the SSD is removed or the new drive is detected. If you're replacing the drive, install the replacement and set the correct boot order. Make sure you saved and reattached any cables and brackets you removed. If the system won't boot, don't panic, power down, reseat the SATA/power cables, or M.2 screw, and verify BIOS boot priority. Often a loose cable or wrong boot order is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.